amigas, please come back to my channel. Sorry. Please come back to my channel, Miss Vlog TV. Thank you sa ating mga ano dyan, mga simple vlogs. Dami ng views. Thank you. Hope more and more. Thank you so much sa inyo. So, kumusta na kayo dyan? Thank you. So, today is Friday. It's my off day, my work. Diba? Kasi trabaho tayo ng Sunday night. So, ngayon, Friday, the whole day tomorrow, and Sunday again. So, it's my off day today. So, we're going to Niagara Falls. Dalawang Niagara Falls, guys. New York side at saka Canada side. So, we're going to Canada side. Tingnan natin ang ating pagdaan natin sa immigration kung wala ba tayong problema dyan. Kasi hindi pa tayo citizen. So, hopefully, green card kailangan at saka ang aking passport. Uy, gusto may passport, baby. Okay. So, yeah, tingnan natin. Hopefully, walang problema natin gano'n. Kasi Canada side na yan. So, hopefully, wala tayong problema. So, ang aking vacation today, kahit ngayon lang today at saka tomorrow, Sunday morning, babalik na kami kasi trabaho ko ng pagkagabi. So, kasama ko kayo, makikita nyo ang views ng falls sa Canada side. Yan. Isama ko, tingnan natin guys. Gaano kaganda. Diba? And then, I met my friend from Toronto. She ride a train from Toronto to Falls, Niagara Falls. And one of my friend from Australia. Nandito na siya kahapon pa. She have a sister, two sister from New York and a niece. So they are already there in Niagara Falls yesterday. So hopefully magkasama kami ng pamamasyal going around once or tomorrow hopefully. So this friend is long time from Malaysia, from 2005 until 2006, 1 year. And then yun na pagkita namin. So now only we meet again. Diba? Yung mga ano natin, mga gwapang mga friend dyan na mababait. Ang mga mabait na mga friend, kitain talaga ako kasi mabait ako. Yan. My long time friend know me very well. The new friend here in US. So yeah. So bye-bye muna guys. I-update ko kayo. Tingnan nyo highway natin ngayon. Road trip muna tayo. Yan. So update ko kayo muna guys. More videos to Niagara Falls because it's very nice views from the hotel we're staying. So bye-bye muna guys. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.